Thank you and a very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we welcome you to yet another episode of Perceptive Learning Zone. And today, we sort of make an introduction towards the arena of computer engineering. Um, what, who is a computer engineer, basically? That is our very first question, right? So, a computer engineer, he designs, creates, and tests computer systems as well as computer-related equipment. Unlike software developers who use code to design applications and programs, you got computer engineers who are sort of building the physical components that comprise of these computer systems, right? Computer engineers, they usually need a bachelor's degree in computer engineering or computer science or other relevant field. And some also pursue a graduate degree. And earning a computer engineering degree can offer a positive return on investment. And as professionals in this field, they earn higher than average salaries, and the job outlook for careers in this field is pretty strong and robust. So the computer engineering field, it offers various specialized career paths. In addition to hardware engineering, you got workers who can specialize in network infrastructure, computer system analysis. I'm talking about computer as well as information research science, and some even advanced roles as computer as well as information system managers, right? So today we sort of outline how to become a computer engineer, what are our typical job tasks, what are our requirements, as well as what is the, more importantly, what is the job outlook, as well as the salary potential for graduates, right? So, like I said before, right, computer engineers, their sort of job description includes processors, networks, memory devices, routers, as well as circuit boards, right? And these professionals will obviously they need knowledge of computer science as well as electrical engineering, and they often work closely with software developers. As companies may develop software as well as hardware in tandem, right? So, what does a computer engineer do, and what does a typical day sort of look like for these professionals? So, some very common generic duties. They could be number one, researching as well as creating plans to design new computer behavior. They test hardware, they adjust product designs, they update hardware to work with they update hardware that sort of works better with new software, and they manage the hardware manufacturing process, right? Um, the top employing industries for computer engineers, they include research and development in the sciences. I'm talking about semiconductor and other electronic equipment manufacturing, right? You got computer systems design, there is computer manufacturing, and obviously computer engineers are of massive demand in the federal government, so to speak. Now, how do you become a computer engineer, right? So, like I said, computer engineers are skilled tech professionals who typically need a bachelor's degree to qualify for entry level jobs, right? So, one option is obviously you earn a bachelor's degree, right? And this typically takes 4 years to complete and requires classes like computer architecture, computer programming languages, computer science, and circuits, right? And some of the top computer engineering bachelor's program, well, it holds accreditation from ABET, which is an engineering and tech focused program rating agency, right? And also you have to complete an internship, right? You can get major hands-on experience while still in university by completing an internship. And although this is not an industry-wide requirement, an internship can sort of help you apply your university knowledge in real world scenarios and make professional connections, right? And obviously, sometimes an internship can lead to a very tantalizing job offer, which is very good for your professional development, right? Additionally, you can also consider a master's degree in this field. Some specialized computer engineering jobs and large engineering companies, well, they prefer to hire engineers with a master's degree, right? It normally takes 2 years to complete, and it includes classes like, system theory, electronic devices, you got digital signal processing, you got embedded systems, as well as machine learning, right? You can also consider earning a professional certification in this field, in order to increase your earning potential and have more job opportunities at your disposal. So this field does not require specific credentials, but earning a certification can sort of demonstrate your skills, your knowledge to prospective employers, right? And obviously that is always very beneficial. Then next up, we talk about the computer engineer's salary as well as the job outlook, right? So according to the United States Bureau of Labor Statistics, computer engineers, they earn a median annual salary of 138,080 US dollars, 138,080, right? Which was almost 3 times higher than the average for all workers, which was somewhere around $50,000 that same year. So the top 10% of computer engineers, they made more than 212,000 US dollars on a yearly basis, right? So salaries for computer engineers, they vary by location as well as industry, right? So for example, computer engineers in California, they earn an average wage of approximately 173,000 US dollars, which was about $35,000 more than the national average, right? Other top states in the US, they include Massachusetts, Virginia, Oregon, as well as Washington, right? And in addition to earning more competitive and lucrative salaries, computer engineers, they can also expect a very strong job market, right? The BLS projects 5% growth for computer engineers between 2022 and 2032, right? The standard period. It sort of equates to approximately 4,600 new job openings each year during this time period. So the demand for these professionals is likely because of the need for computer engineer skills, like designing processors and other components which are widely being used in manufacturing products like cars, refrigerators, as well as medical devices, right? And finally, we talk about the various computer engineering specializations, right? So, well, you could become a computer hardware engineer. This is common, right? You will be designing, developing, and testing new computer hardware systems and related equipment. You could work also as a computer network architect, right? You can use your computer engineering skills to, sort of specialize in computer network architecture, right? Computer network architects, they're also called network engineers, right? They build data communication networks like local area networks and intranets, right? And alternatively, you also have the option of working as a computer systems analyst, right? Who are also called network engineers. They build data communication networks like local area networks and they basically these computer systems analysts are also called system architects, right? And they study computer systems to improve their efficiency, right? They typically need a bachelor's in computer and information technology or some related field. Then there are certifications for computer engineers, and there is a Cisco Certified Internet Network Expert certification, right? Which includes CCIE Enterprise Infrastructure, you got CCIE Collaboration, and CCI Data Center. These are all expert level certifications, each of which require a core exam and a practical exam or a lab, right? So Cisco recommends applicants hold 5 to 7 years of relevant experience, and expert level exams that cost $1,600 or $1,900 depending on the test setup, right? You must complete continuing education credits and take exams every 3 years to maintain your certification. And then finally, you have the NetApp Certified Storage Installation Engineer, right? This demonstrates skills using NetApp best practices, following NetApp quality standards, and delivering on-tap installation services. To receive the certification, you must pass the NetApp Certified Storage Storage Installation Engineer on-tap exam, and candidates need at least 6 to 12 months of experience using the NetApp on-tap solution. So exam prices will be ranging from 150 to over 200 US dollars, right? So that'll be it for now, fellas. We'll be back with continuing to talk about the field of computer engineering in much more detail. So please stay subscribed. Thank you very much and love you all. Stay blessed. Assalamu alaikum.